right, guys, welcome back. The 2019 Corvette. It has not been on the channel since we renamed it Wide Body Nation. So Corvette, welcome to Wide Body Nation. Luckily, you do qualify for the wide body membership because you are a Grand Sport. Plus, you got the red interior, the clear roof. Pretty much one of the best spec 2019 Corvettes out there, if you ask me. We are on the way to go ahead and get the Corvette's oil change. We are at 12,723 miles with the Corvette Grand Sport. Just got off of a rental from a great family here in southern Tennessee. And by southern, I just mean south of Nashville. We're not like actually in southern Tennessee, but yeah, I mean, Tennessee, guys, there's a reason that people are leaving certain states and coming here to Tennessee. I was at the county clerk office a couple months ago up in Clarksville, Tennessee, where I technically live, and they said the amount of California and Illinois licenses they're converting to Tennessee residents at the office is out of control. So Tennessee, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Just let's not overpopulate Nashville. Let's keep it spread out. Tennessee is nice because it's all spread out. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick update and kind of a more macro update on the 2019 Corvette. So this car, I traded in two cars for it back in that March-April time frame, right when the whole craziness was kicking off of 2020. You guys know what I'm talking about. And I got a good deal on it, but it also allowed me to kind of exfil from, the yellow Corvette that I used to have. It was a yellow 2019 3LT non-Z51, not Grand Sport. So not a great spec. I had that in my TURO fleet. And then I also had a 2020 Supra that a subscriber now has up in, want to say Michigan. If it's not Michigan, I'm sorry, Chief. It's Chief Joe, I believe. And if it's not Michigan, then that's my bad. But I'm pretty sure it's Michigan. So I hope you're enjoying the Supra up there. It's funny, he actually traded in a last generation 666 horsepower GT500, and now he's cruising around in a launch edition Supra. I think that one was like 787 or something like that. It was, I want to say it was in the 700s. But yeah, so this is kind of the mainstay of the rental fleet right now. It goes out on between 2 and 4 rentals a month. Usually brings in, between $300 and $500 a rental. So it more than pays for itself. That's for sure. I was able to finance it at 0% and also get a big discount off of it too. So that was helpful. There's always a way to get out of a car that you guys don't want. Or if you guys, like, say you have 2 cars and you're looking to only have 1 car in your life. So say you have 2 unreliable cars or 2 cars that are too expensive. You could always trade in 2 cars into a 1-car deal. That's a technique. Or conversely, if you guys need 2 cars and you only have 1 car right now, you can trade in 1 car and do like a crazy deal where you walk away with 2 cars. So again, if you guys want help with car buying on the channel, please let me know. You can hit me up on Instagram at The Real Wide Body Nation. The link is below in the description, or you can just hit us up in the comments. I do my best to respond to everybody's comment within 24 hours of them commenting. I think I'm pretty much caught up right now. I've got a lot of people talking about Chargers and a couple people talking about the S209, the Subaru. But yeah, so welcoming the Corvette back to the channel. Again, we're on the way to get the oil change. I try to do the oil change in this Corvette about every 5,000 miles. Chevy technically lets me go about, I think, like 7,000 or 7,500, but that's just a little too long for me. With the dry, this has a dry sump oil system in it, so like I really feel like you should treat it nicely. So I just saw a nice STI up there. I can't tell if it was it was a white. I think it had gray rims, but pretty cool. But yeah, so I'll do every 5,000 miles on this. And most Corvettes, Chevy should pay for the first 2 oil changes. So your break-in oil change and then your first full one, I believe, are both covered by Chevy. They have been for all the Corvettes that I've owned. So unless I'm crazy, you guys let me know in the comments below. But I'm trying to get you guys some more Corvette content. Unfortunately, this goes out on rentals a lot, so I'm really not able to do as much Corvette content as I would like. But I promise you guys I will do some POV drives in the Corvette. Hopefully I'll have it for Cars and Coffee next month, maybe. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys want to see with the Corvette. I have no idea what the Corvette modification scene looks like, so if you guys have any tasteful mods that you guys know for Corvettes, then let me know in the comments below. And I will be posting the video for our trip soon, if not already, as well. The trip we just did with the S209 from Atlanta to Nashville. So appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will see you for the next video.